Hello everyone. Welcome back to Asha Edu Class, your friendly guide to easy English learning. Today, we are going to explore the fable The Raven and the Fox through a mind map and a concept map. These simple visual tools will help you understand the characters, story, problem, and the moral of this clever fable, all at a glance. So get your notebooks ready and let's break it down together. Mind map. Characters: Mr. Raven, Reynard the Fox. Setting: a tree in the forest. A morsel, food, in Raven's beak. Events: Fox sees Raven with food. Fox praises the Raven's beauty and asks him to sing. Raven opens beak to sing, food drops. Fox grabs the food and laughs. Trick used: flattery. Raven falls for false praise. Moral: do not fall for flattery. Pride can lead to loss. Think before you act. Concept map. Characters: Mr. Raven, Reynard the Fox. Setting: a tree in the forest. Raven holding a morsel. Problem: Fox wants the food. Fox cannot reach it. Strategy: action. Fox uses flattery. Raven opens beak to sing. Outcome: morsel falls. Fox grabs it. Raven is fooled. Moral: don't fall for flattery. Pride can cause loss. Fable features: animal characters, a clear lesson, short and simple story. Great job, learners! Now you've clearly understood the Raven and the Fox using both a mind map and a concept map. These are powerful tools that make learning stories and their messages super easy and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Asha Edu Class for more engaging lessons. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, flattery may be sweet, but wisdom is sweeter.